Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I would like to share my mom's recipe on how to prepare pork neck. So please sit back, relax, and if you enjoy this video, I'd be more than delighted if you hit the like and subscribe button. So now let's get into this video. The meat is already washed and chopped beforehand into smaller pieces, and my mom continues to season the meat with garlic, turmeric, and ginger. My mom now continues to add some pepper and salt. She will now continue to mix this meat with the seasoning evenly and add sunflower oil as well, along with parsley. And once this is added, she will continue to mix this meat with the seasoning so it can be evenly coated. Before my mom added the sunflower oil, she washed her hands, added the sunflower oil and parsley, and then started mixing the meat again. Once the pan is heated, we can now start to add sunflower oil, maybe 1 or 2 tablespoons. After this, my mom adds some butter. My mom doesn't measure her ingredients, so you can add as much or little as you wish. When the butter starts to sizzle, that's when my mom starts putting the meat inside of the pan. We will now continue to take out the meat and add the other batch in. So this is the remaining of the meat. My mom is now starting to take out the fried pork neck. After this, she will continue to add more butter, and once that's done, she will continue to saute onions until they are golden brown. Here we see now that the onions are nicely golden brown, so they were sauteed for about 3 to 4 minutes, if not maybe a little bit less. And then my mom continues to add green and red peppers. She will continue to saute these as well for about 2 or 3 minutes. Once the peppers are soft, she will then add back the fried meat. She will let this cook for about 40 to 45 minutes, and this will be done on medium heat. Once the meat is nice and soft, you can continue to turn off the heat, and my mom now is putting on some spring onions just to make it look more vibrant and colorful. I asked my dad to taste test this dish, and he really liked it and enjoyed it with the side of mashed potatoes. I will be uploading more videos in the next coming week, so I hope you do tune in, and I want to thank you for watching this video.